Hello, my name's Brian. I'm an Agile management consultant, and earlier last year I left the smoke of old London town and headed north. Welcome to glorious Yorkshire. Now I'm using the Agile management practices to get stuff done around the house. We have some grand plans on the roadmap. But plans are nothing. We've actually got to get stuff done. But if agility is just a bunch of silly words to you, then don't worry. Stick around. Just enjoy watching stuff getting done. Solving one challenge reveals the next. Whatever happens next is driven by feedback from what's just been completed. Creating the attic space in the garage creates the challenge of accessing it. That's another problem to solve. There are also problems that were there all along, whose time has now come. Door to the garage. We've never had the key for this since we moved in. And this is a problem because if we lose power, then the electric roller doors on the front of the garage won't operate. If I need tools to fix that power problem, and they're in the garage, then we're really in trouble. So I need to get this door opening and accessible. Plan is grind away the pins so I can knock the pins out, open the door the wrong way to get at the lock, remove the lock, and replace it with something that we do have the keys for. So we'll see how that goes. Ears, eyes. You know what? I don't think knocking the pin out is going to work. I think I'm just going to have to cut the entire hinge. Tedious. 3 of them to do. You might be asking, where's the agility in all this? You're just removing a door. I have the goal of making the door functional again. That leads to the sub-goal of removing the door. I know what I've got to do, but I don't know how I'm going to do it. How to remove the door is the problem to solve, and agility, at its purest, is just problem solving. Maybe I should just go that way rather than trying to go in sideways. Let's try that on the one lower down. See you down in a minute. The goal provides the target that the experiments can be assessed against. If the experiment moves us towards the target, good. If it moves us away from the target, stop and try something else. Okay, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Experimentation, exploring different options. As long as the goal of removing the door is achieved, we can be agile in how we achieve that goal. Success! All right. This gap here is where I think the mice were sneaking in and getting into the garage. So I need to fill that with a piece of timber so that it sits flush up against the door frame and there is no gap they can climb through. There is a deadline, and that deadline is darkness. I need the door on, closed, and secure before it gets dark. I don't like racing. You don't solve problems by racing, you tend to create more. Thankfully, this race against the dark is just screwing the door to the hinges. Minimal problem solving. But you try getting screw holes aligned whilst balancing a door under time pressures. Time's up. The door is on and only just before darkness descends. Ideally, I would have had the lock fitted and the work complete. But tonight, the secure requirement will have to be fulfilled by the low-tech solution of a piece of wire wrapped around some timber that is wedged against the door frame. It's a new day. Having used a tactical solution previously, today's problem is implementing the strategic solution to the secure requirement, properly fitting the new lock. That's it. Okay. Except I can't. The plan was to reuse the old hardware, the old handles, but the plan isn't working. The alignment between the old handle and the lock is ever so slightly out, and it binds. It doesn't twist easily. I think we're going to find some different door hardware. Don't know what just yet, but I think we will. That should have different hole spacings, and we'll work it out from there. That's another day. Another day, another door handle. Whilst obtaining the door handle has cost another few days' delay, it is iterating towards success. Whereas, if I had stuck with the plan of using the original hardware, I would have ended up with a deficient door that doesn't work. Done. Next time, it's time to start the lean-to.